In this lesson, we take a look at halves. Now this avocado has been cut in half. As a result, we've got two halves, which means we've got two equal parts. A piece of cardboard, you might wish to cut that in half. As a result, we've got two halves. Now we look at this lumberjack sawing this log of wood in half. Wow, looks like it's tough work. He's pretty happy about it though. We might check on his progress later on. Now this credit card. Sometimes people spend too much money on their credit card, and it might be money that they don't really have. So out come the scissors and they cut the credit card in half. A pizza. We might cut the pizza in half. Now this pizza, there's two parts there. I wonder if they're equal. Do you think these are halves? Well, no, these are not halves because the parts are not equal. So even though there's two parts, they're not equal. So they are not halves. And here's our lumberjack again. Okay, he's made a bit of progress. Let's check on him later on. Now, we've got an orange there. Has the orange been cut in half? Well, those two parts, they certainly look fairly equal. So I think we can say yes, the orange has been cut in half. Now, a watermelon. Has the watermelon been cut in half? Well, do you think those two parts are equal? No. Which shapes are half-coloured? Well, the first shape we're looking at is a rectangle. Do you think half of it has been coloured? Yes, it has. So let's give that a tick. And move that to the side. The next shape is a square. Has it been half-coloured? Well, I think it's been much more than half-coloured. So we'll cross that one out. Move it to the other side. This next shape is a circle. How much has been coloured? Much less than half. So we'll cross that out. Move it to that side. The next shape, that's a hexagon. It's got 6 sides. Do you think half of it is coloured? Yes, I think so as well. Now this square has got a diagonal drawn, and one side is coloured, the other is not coloured. So half is coloured, yes. Now this kite, well, some of it is coloured, but it's more than half. Okay, the bit that is coloured is more than the bit that's not. So let's cross that out. And here's our man, our lumberjack. He's still sawing away. I think he needs somebody on the other side of the saw to help him out. Well, that's the end of the lesson. Good luck with your questions.